Hi, today is Monday, April 5th, 2021. We passed the one quarter out of 4 quarters of this year. So the time sure flies so fast. Uh, but day by day, my stock prices are increasing gradually. I hope the profits will double in a 3 months time or less. There would be July or June. That's when the coronavirus pandemic ends, hopefully. So let's learn how the stock trading is done in America, and how we could lower the risk and maximize the profits by actively trading on stocks and securities in the American markets. NerdWallet, investing, stock trading, how to, advisor disclosure. I'll uh, just push this button. Stock trading, how to begin, how to survive. Stock trading is a form of investing that prioritizes short-term profits over long-term gains. It can be risky to dive in without the proper knowledge. Diana Yochim, Chris Davis, April 2nd, 2021. Many or all of the products featured here are from our partners who compensate us. This may influence which products we write about and where and how the product appears on a page. However, this does not influence our evaluations. Our opinions are our own. Our opinions are our own. Our opinions are our own. Here is a list of our partners, and here's how we make money. Our opinions are our own. The investing information provided on this page is for educational purposes only. NerdWallet does not offer advisory or brokerage services, nor does it recommend or advise investors to buy or sell particular stocks or securities. Not everyone who buys and sells stocks is a stock trader, at least in the nuanced language of investing terms. Depending on how frequently they buy or sell stocks, most fall into one of two camps: traders or investors. Most fall into one of the two camps. Really? Traders or investors? The caricature of the trader is that of the frenzied Wall Streeter in front of monitors and scrolling tickers, buying and selling throughout the day. Investors, on the other hand, are typically in it for the long haul, buying at regular intervals and selling much less frequently, or not at all, at least until retirement. Selling tickers. Yes, scrolling tickers. Scrolling tickers. Stock trading isn't always one you see on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, though, and it's possible to get started from the comfort of your couch. But you'd better know what you are doing before you place your first trade. What is a stock trading? Stock traders buy and sell stocks to capitalize on daily price fluctuations. These short-term traders are betting that they can make a few bucks in the next minute, hour, day, or month, rather than buying stock in a blue chip company to hold for years or even decades. Blue chip company. There are two main types of stock trading: active trading, day trading. Active trading is what an investor who places 10 or more trades per month does. Typically, they use a strategy that relies heavily on timing the market, trying to take advantage of short-term events at the company level or based on market fluctuations to turn a profit in the coming weeks or months. To turn a profit. Day trading is the strategy employed by investors who play hot potato with the stocks, buying, selling, and closing their positions of the same stock in a single trading day, caring little about the inner workings of the underlying businesses. Position refers to the amount of a particular stock or fund you own. The aim of the day trader is to make a few bucks in the next few minutes, hours, or days based on daily price fluctuations. Read more. How to trade. How to trade the stocks. If you are trying your hand at stock trading for the first time, know that most investors are best served by keeping things simple and investing in a diversified mix of low-cost index funds to achieve, and this is key, long-term outperformance. That said, the logistics of trading stocks comes down to 6 steps. That said, 1. Open a brokerage account. Stock trading requires funding a brokerage account, a specific type of account designed to hold investments. If you don't already have an account, you can open one with online broker in a few minutes. But don't worry, opening an account doesn't mean you are investing your money quite yet. It just gives you the option to do so once you are ready. See NerdWallet's ranking of the best stockbrokers for beginners. Advertisement. TradeStation. NerdWallet rating. Fees and premiums. 0 trade fees. 0 annual fees. 50 inactivity fee. $0 amount minimum. Promotion up to $5,000 cash credit with a qualifying deposit. Learn more at TradeStation. Call TradeStation at 100-328-1965. 2. Set a stock trading budget. Even if you find a talent for trading stocks, allocating more than 10% of your portfolio to individual stocks can expose your savings to too much volatility. But this isn't the only rule to manage risk. Other do's and don'ts include: invest only the amount of money you can afford to lose. Don't use money that's earmarked for near-term must-pay expenses like a down payment or tuition. Ratchet down that 10% if you don't yet have a healthy emergency fund, and 10% to 15% of your income funneled into a retirement savings account. Write down that 10%. If you don't yet have a healthy emergency fund and 10% to 15% of your income funneled into a retirement savings account. Write it down. 3. Learn to use market orders and limit orders. Once you have your brokerage account and budget in place, you can use your online broker's website or trading platform to place your stock trades. You will be presented with several options for order types, which dictate how your trade goes through. We go through these in detail in our guide for how to buy stocks. But these are the two most common types. Market order buys or sells the stock ASAP at the best available price. Limit order buys or sells the stock only at or better than a specific price you set. For a buy order, the limit price will be the most you are willing to pay, and the order will go through only if the stock's price falls to or below that amount. Limit order buys or sells the stock only at or better than a specific price you set. For a buy order, the limit price will be the most you are willing to pay, and the order will go through only if the stock's price falls to or below that amount. 4. Practice with a virtual trade account. There's nothing better than hands-on, low-pressure experience which investors can get via the virtual trading tools offered by many online stockbrokers. Paper trading lets customers test their trading acumen and build up a track record before putting real dollars on the line. Trading acumen. Several of the brokers we review offer virtual trading, including TD, Ameritrade, and Interactive Brokers. 5. Measure your returns against an appropriate benchmark. This is essential advice for all types of investors, not just active ones. The bottom line goal for picking stocks is to be ahead of a benchmark index. That could be the Standard & Poor's 500 index, often used as a proxy for the market. The Nasdaq Composite Index for those investing primarily in technology stocks or other smaller indexes that are composed of companies based on size, industry, and geography. Measuring results is key, and if a serious investor is unable to outperform the benchmark, something even pro investors struggle to do, then it makes financial sense to invest in a low-cost index mutual fund or ETF, essentially a basket of stocks whose performance closely aligns with that of one of the benchmark indexes. 6. Keep your perspective. Being a successful investor doesn't require finding the next great breakout stock before everyone else. By the time you hear that XYZ stock is poised for a pop, so have thousands of professional traders, and the potential likely has already been priced into the stock. It may be too late to make a quick turnaround profit, but that doesn't mean you are too late to the party. You are not too late to the party. Truly great investments continue to deliver shareholder value for years, which is a good argument for trading active investing as a hobby and not a Hail Mary for quick riches. Or Hail Mary for quick riches. Yep, not a Hail Mary for quick riches. So, truly great investments continue to deliver shareholder value for years, which is a good argument for treating active investing as a hobby and not a Hail Mary for quick riches. How to survive stock trading. Wherever you fall on the investor trading spectrum, these 4 tips for how to trade stocks can help ensure you do it safely. 1. Lower risk by building positions gradually. There's no need to cannonball into the deep end with any position. Taking your time to buy via dollar cost averaging or buying in thirds helps reduce investor exposure to price volatility. 2. Ignore hot tips. Wall Street Hotshot 4721 on the Easy $1 Million Trade Forum, and the folks who pay for sponsored ads touting sure thing stocks are not your friends, mentors, or bona fide Wall Street gurus. In many cases, they are part of a pump and dump racket where shady folks purchase buckets of shares in a little-known, thinly traded company, often a penny stock, and hit the internet to hype it up. Penny stock to hype it up. Shady folks, yeah, not shoddy, shady folks purchase buckets of shares. As unwitting investors load up on shares and drive the price up, the crooks take their profits, dump their shares, and send the stock careening back to earth. Don't help them line their pockets. Yeah, careening back to earth. Yeah, buckets of shares. Thinly traded company, penny stock, little known, a penny stock, and they hit the internet to hype it up. 3. Keep good records for the IRS. If you are not using an account that enjoys tax-favored status, such as a 401k or other workplace accounts, or a Roth, or a traditional IRA, taxes on investment gains and losses can get complicated. The IRS applies different rules and tax rates and requires the filing of different forms for different types of traders. Another benefit of keeping good records is that loser investments can be used to offset the taxes paid on income through a neat strategy called tax loss harvesting. 4. Choose your broker wisely. Line their pocket. To trade stocks, you need a broker, but don't just fall for their broker. Pick one with the terms and tools that best align with your investing style and experience. A higher priority for active traders will be low commissions and fast order execution for time sensitive trades. See our picks for the best online platforms for active traders and day traders to learn more. Investors who are new to trading should look for a broker who can teach them the tools of the trade via educational articles, online tutorials, and in-person seminars. See NerdWallet's roundups for the best brokers for beginners. Other features to consider are the quality and availability of screening and stock analysis tools, on-the-go alerts, easy order entry, and customer service. On-the-go alerts, easy order entry, and customer service. No matter what, the time spent in learning the fundamentals of how to research stocks and experiencing the ups and downs of stock trading, fluctuations, ups and downs, even if there are more of the latter, is time well spent, as long as you are enjoying the ride and not putting any money you can't afford to lose on the line. Frequently asked questions: which stock trading site is best for beginners? What a good stock trading strategy for beginners. Can you trade stocks with $100? What's the difference between stock trading and investing? What time can I start day trading? About the authors, Diana Yochim is a former NerdWallet authority on retirement and investing. Her work has been featured by Forbes, Real Simple, USA Today, Woman's Day, and the Associated Press. Read more. Chris Davis is a NerdWallet investing writer. He has more than 10 years of agency, freelance, and in-house experience writing for financial institutions and coaching financial writers. Read more. Dive even deeper in investing. Best online brokers for stock trading. What is a brokerage account and how do I open one? Best performing stocks, blue chips. March 2021. Make all the right money moves. Download the app. Disclaimer. A NerdWallet strives to keep its information accurate and up to date. This information may be different than one you see when you visit a financial institution, service provider, or a specific product's site. All financial products, shopping products, and services are presented without warranty. When evaluating offers, please review the financial institution's terms and conditions. Pre-qualified offers are not binding. If you find discrepancies with your credit score or information from your credit report, please contact TransUnion directly. Property and casualty insurance services offered through NerdWallet Insurance Services Incorporated licenses. NerdWallet Compare Inc. and NMLS ID number 1617539, NMLS Consumer Access Licenses and Disclosures. California finance lender loans arranged pursuant to Department Financial Protection and Innovation Finance Lenders License number 60DBO-74812. Nerd Wallet USA, Nerd Wallet UK. Thanks for listening.